Naples, Italy, known by locals as Napoli, is a city where history, passion, and daily life blend into one unforgettable rhythm. Nestled along the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea, Naples offers breathtaking seaside views, framed by Mount Vesuvius and colorful waterfront neighborhoods. Its people are warm, expressive, and deeply proud of their roots, welcoming visitors with genuine hospitality and heartfelt smiles. The city's architecture tells stories of ancient empires, medieval kingdoms, and Baroque elegance, from narrow alleyways to grand piazzas and historic churches. Naples is home to world-famous attractions, including underground tunnels, royal palaces, bustling markets, and vibrant promenades along the coast. With a mild Mediterranean climate, sunny days fill the streets with life year-round. Cafes overflow, fishermen return at dawn, and families gather in lively squares. Culture thrives here through music, theater, street art, and culinary traditions, especially pizza. Born in this very city, religion remains central to Neapolitan life, reflected in centuries-old churches, religious festivals, and colorful processions. Deep traditions, from holiday celebrations to family rituals, connect generations and preserve identity. Naples is not just a destination, it is a feeling. Naples sits along southern Italy's Tyrrhenian coast, framed by Mount Vesuvius and fertile volcanic plains. Its geography has shaped its destiny for over 2,000 years, providing natural harbors, rich soil, and strategic trade routes. Founded by the Greeks as Neapolis, the city later flourished under Roman, Byzantine, Norman, and Spanish rule, leaving behind layers of ancient history visible in ruins, tunnels, and grand monuments. Naples gained global fame through football legend Diego Maradona, who transformed local pride in the 1980s. To Neapolitans, he remains more than a player. He is a symbol of hope, identity, and unity. Today, Naples balances tradition with modern life. Its economy is driven by tourism, shipping, crafts, fashion, and creative industries, while street markets and family businesses still form its backbone. Despite challenges, the city's resilience fuels constant renewal. Food is the heart of Naples. Fresh seafood arrives daily from the Mediterranean, filling trattorias with flavors of lemon, olive oil, and herbs. Most famous is pizza, born here and protected as cultural heritage. Skilled pizzaiolos stretch dough by hand, fire it in wood ovens, and create masterpieces like margherita and marinara. From ancient roots to modern rhythms, Naples remains a living museum of history, passion, and flavor, where every meal and every street tells a story.